everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this smooth animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. First, take an image of macaron. Now we need to split it into two parts. To do this, I'm using Photopea plugin. Select the erase tool and erase the bottom part and save it. Repeat the process for bottom part. Now add the text. Set its opacity to 0. Align the text and the top part of the macaron. Now group all the elements together. Repeat this process for all the macarons. Bring all the images into new frame. Move the macarons to the right except this one. Change the background color and the background image. Duplicate the frame. Split the macaron. Increase the opacity of the text. Resize it. You can also change the color. Connect the frames using after delay interaction of 100 ms. Use Smart Animate with slow curve. Duplicate the frame. Move the previous macaron to the left and bring the next one. Change the background color and update the background image. Duplicate this frame. Split the macaron. Increase the text opacity and resize the text. Repeat this process for all the frames. Once you are done with all the frames, switch to prototype mode and connect all the frames using on-click interaction, smart animation and slow curve. And that's it. Now you have a cool animation in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.